This is how I practice drawing my faces. I start off with a bunch of different shapes: circles, squares, ovals, heart shape, rounded rectangles, and then I draw a series of lines, and these are the fundamental drawing techniques for drawing a face. The center vertical helps you see the center line, and that of course changes depending on the direction your person is looking, but for now we're doing a center line. And then the horizontal ones help you figure out where the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears go. Now, the smaller the face in proportion to the head helps the person look younger. So this is all, of course, caricature and cartoon, but basically if you have a face that is mostly at the bottom half of the shape of the head, it's going to look more like a baby or a child. The longer the face and the more space it takes up on the head shape, it's going to look older. And you can help do that by making a longer nose and putting the eyes higher up on the face and even a little bit closer together. On a small person or a baby, the eyes and nose and mouth are very close together and a little bit wider. So the wider the eyes go, the younger / cuter your caricature will look. And in this case, the one I'm drawing right here, I kept it slow to show you that I actually started drawing this one and it turned out to look a little older than I had intended. So I erased where the eyes were and moved them down closer to the nose and a little bit farther apart, and then all of a sudden it looked more like a toddler or a 5-year-old or something like that. The other thing that helps make your character look younger or older is the way you style their hair and the amount of detail you actually add to their features. So for this younger character here, I'm keeping the eyebrows pretty small, the expression kind of petite as well, a little tiny chin, little ears, and the lower the ears on the face also help the person look even younger. And for the baby down below, same thing, small eyes. Now this woman is a little bit older, and so I added some lip detail, a lot more hair detail, and this guy here, I gave him a little more eyebrow hair, longer hair, even facial hair. That obviously makes him look older. And this woman, I gave more detail to her eyes and her eyelids and more flowing hair, which will add to the age. The last thing I've been doing lately is taking a photo of the drawing and bringing it into Procreate on my iPad where I add the color.